Hello guys, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. I tell you Retalk, if today is your first day, you're coming up into our channel, kindly subscribe, like and share our video. And if you're a returning subscriber also, please don't forget to copy the link and share for others so that they can benefit from our video. You hear me? Okay, as for those of you who want to buy skincare products or want to buy organic recipe or you want to buy cosmetic recipe, you can always count on us. All what you need to do is just really look at the screen, copy the number and call us. You will always get us. Wherever you are, being US, Canada, Europe, Asia country, UK, Africa country, anywhere in Nigeria, we ship everywhere, we deliver everywhere. Don't be scared. Yeah, the number one thing is that for us to protect your trust, and we don't need to breach that trust. Wherever you are, we ship to you. You hear me? Don't be scared. We ship and our prices are affordable. So talk about that. And a quick one. Today I want to do you guys a favor. I want to give you guys superb way that you can promix your oil. You can get active oil. So listen for the names of oil I'm going to call for you right now so that you can make your strong whitening oils. Nobody going to tell you anything about these oils. Some of them they contain SPF 30, SPF 40 and UVP, and all of them is all like they are all active oil that you could use. Are you getting it? So in a quick one, let me name them so that you can use all this oil for yourself. I wrote them down because they are much. Okay. In a quick one, you say first of all, the first three base oil you're going to use are Action Jolie oil, then Bio 42 hours oil, and Whitening oil. These are your base. You use them as your base. Again, let's go then. Gluta White Serum, Gluta Action Serum, Bio Eclat oil, Magic Force, Magic Potion, Magic White, Skin Free Make, Glutathione with Vitamin C, Perfect Glow, yes, and then Perfect Glow, Bio Oil, Bel Eclat Chemical, Skin Doctor Ampoule, Jojoba Oil 250ml, Green Tea Oil 250ml, Rosehip Oil 250ml, then a propylene glycol 100ml, and a vitamin E oil 100ml, 250 whitening activator oil 250ml, Vit Gold oil, then Blema oil, crude chemical oil, then Malawi oil. You see this oil, if you add all of them together, trust me, and do a proper blending, before you know, nobody gonna tell you that you've gotten a strong whitening oil. You'll see and this oil, they are blemishes free. You can use them. It's advisable to be used at night, yes, but after you read talk about it, you can use them alone. You don't need them because most of them, they are just fruit acid. You can use them alone. You don't need to say, oh, let me go mix it with my lotion. If you want to mix with your lotion, fine, but with all this oil, you just mix together. Come on, that is just a perfect oil you can use. You can really use. And I tell you again, once again, if you're looking for a place to get this oil as original, you can count on us. Just call at the number on your screen. You getting it wherever you are in the world, wherever you are, being the US, UK, being the US, UK, Asia country, Canada, Europe, Africa country, even in Nigeria as well. We deliver everywhere, we ship everywhere. We always ship everywhere. And don't be scared, our prices are affordable, and also that trust For trust is our number one priority. You know what I mean? AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Anywhere you are, we ship them to you. Cosmetic or organic product, skincare product, just name it, we ship everywhere. And as for those of you, I told you, they say, where's your store? I said, I only do online. I mean, what was it difficult for you? What's it difficult for you for this channel? As we are not here to tell you story. We are not fraud. You understand it? Like, we've been doing this for years. So for us to build a channel to this level and you think we're doing fraud, there's no fraud in here. All what you just need to do, place your order. Place your order. Are you getting it? Just place your order. We get you whatever you want on skincare product. Place your order. AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. We're gonna get you any kind of recipe you need. Are you getting it? So don't tell me one-on-one contact. I'm a distributor. I distribute for all those stores you see. So you can go buy from them or you buy from me. Fake products are everywhere. I tell you, don't come and cry for me. Oh, I went to that place. They sold. No. Come and buy from us. And again, if you want to save yourself from this stress of this oil alcohol, you can just buy the already made one that we've gotten already. Are you getting it? Because some of the oil that you're going to ask for, you're not going to see them except us only. Let nobody tell you they say Malawi oil. Nobody say. These are just our product. We formulated it. We have the formula. Malawi. Blema oil. That's a new one trading now. Blema oil. If you want to know more about Blema oil, you can track us up on our WhatsApp number, which is still on the screen right now. You see Blema oil, that is overall of the oil. In fact, that one is more higher than Malawi. With these two oils, you can use them to activate all of the oils I've called for you. Let no one tell you lies. So we've come to the end of this class. I remain AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Don't forget to check on us on our Instagram and also Facebook, the same name, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. Even the other mother YouTube we have it, the same name, AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. So that is the end of our class.